Bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check on.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Chantel. I post makeup tutorials, and this one is a recreation of Cardi B's Coachella makeup look. So I loved how that look turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy my version of it, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell for when I upload videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching, guys. So guys, I'm starting to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm not going to do too much on video because I have an eyebrow tutorial I will be linking up top. And then I'm going with my Morphe 35O eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying that orange shade as my transition color, and then blending that in with my Mikasa Beauty blending brush. And I have a discount code with them, so if you want some bomb makeup brushes, you can just click the link in the description bar and purchase your makeup brush from them. Then I'm going to take that light brown shade and apply it on the orange shade that I applied first, and I'm just using a tapered blending brush. But this brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I know I don't have a discount code with Morphe. So I'm just vibing to some Cardi B right now. I'm the one with She and Chance the Rapper, and then I'm just blending out that eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take that chocolate shade and darken the crease some more. Then to cut the crease, I'm going to apply my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to use as the eyeshadow base to cut the crease. So I'm just using an angled eyeshadow brush to make the line more precise, because first I didn't use a brush, I just freestyled it. And then I'm using a Shiny Cosmetics. Yeah, I got this brush set from Amazon, so it's a Shiny brush that I'm using to apply the eyeshadow with. Then I'm just going to take that dark shade now and put it in the outer corners. And now I'm using a pencil brush with that dark shade that I used before from a crease color. And the pencil brush is just for precision, so it will show more brighter and more precise. And for the rhinestone now, I got these rhinestones from a blouse that I have, so I just picked them up from a blouse, and I'm applying the Duo Lash Glue to make them stick onto my eye. But these are a lot of problems. It's my first time using rhinestones for any formal look whatsoever, and it's very difficult to work with. So big up to Cardi B makeup artists and any makeup artists that use these on a regular basis. The rhinestones kept falling off and everything. It was a mess. So if it's your first time, guys, just have some patience and you'll get it done. So I noticed on the photo she only had 5 rhinestones in the crease, so that's what I did. And now to line my lash line, I'm going to use the Inglot gel eyeliner, and I'm going to, but first what I realized that I did wrong, guys, was I should have did the wing first, then apply the rhinestones after that. But yeah. So if it's your first time, guys, just have some patience and you'll get it done. So I noticed on the photo she only had 5 rhinestones in the crease, so that's what I did. And now to line my lash line, I'm going to use then I'm just going to repeat the same procedure over on this eye that I did on the other eye. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and this one is in black. Blackest black or black, something of the sort like that. And I'm just going to apply mascara to my lashes before applying the falsies. And I have an eyelash tutorial how to apply eyelash, fake lashes, so I will link that up top. So guys, please look up top right there and click that video, it will take you to it. And then for my primer, I'm using the Beverly Slay Cream Concentrate because my skin is a bit dry. So I'm just using this cream. So it's a moisturizer and a primer in one. And for foundation, I'm taking those two foundations, L'Oreal Fit Me and Maybelline Pro Matte. And the Maybelline Fit Me is in 330, Pro Matte is in Cocoa. And I'm using my Morphe M439, it's my favorite foundation brush. And I'm just using to buff up my foundation. And I also have a foundation tutorial which I will link up top. And now moving on to lips, I will just use a mahogany lip liner and line my lips. Nothing special about this lip liner, so yeah, it's a basic beauty supply store liner. And for Cardi B lips, I realized it had a peach, but not too, it's a mix between peach and pink. And now for lipstick, I'm taking this Maybelline lipstick. And now to highlight my brow bone, I'm just taking that light shade from the Morphe palette as well. But yeah, on camera it's looking very light, so maybe I shouldn't use that one before. And to line my waterline, I'm just taking a nude liner. It's a lip liner and it works for eyes as well, so yeah, I'm just using that to line my waterline because Cardi didn't have any black liner there. And now I'm just using my pencil brush to smudge the colors that I use up top in my crease at my lower lash line. The other rhinestone below my lash line because she had one there as well. And now I'm just applying mascara to my lower lashes. And to set this look in place, I'm using my Scandinavia Bridal Makeup Setting Spray. And that's the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.